Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a natural shadow in CapCut PC. Well, this person already has like a shadow here, but we'll just add another one. So copy and paste your video and select remove background on the second video. Then go to adjustments and you're going to turn down the saturation, turn up expo. Didn't I just remove background? Sorry, I don't think I did just okay. Go to adjustments, turn down saturation, turn down exposure, turn up contrast, turn down the rest until you're left with that. And I'm just going to go to the rotate section and I'll rotate it twice. Then I'm going to mirror that. I'm just going to place it there. Go back to basic here and turn off uniform scale. And you can kind of like make the shadow like dance like this if you'd like to. Go to the blend mode and adjust the opacity of the shadow because you don't want it too like harsh, I guess. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.